Do you already know the design of the beard that you want to have?
I think so.
Okay, cool. So we put some bandage and we let you go to the hotel. Here is 35 degrees and 34 and all of that, so you shouldn't do any sightseeing. We're going to make sure that this is wet and moist. You're not going to get much pain from the harvested area, but you might get some dull aching pain around the face from tomorrow morning. Small scabs are being formed, you see?
Yeah.
So you should prevent that, then you're good to go back.
Okay.
So I recommend you stay at least for a week.
Okay.
This is good. And you can start having shower.
Okay.
Not in warm water.
Okay.
Normal water. They'll give you a kit. That's the safest thing you can do. Did they give you a kit yet? Keep
perfect.
sending your pictures or let us know how you feel.
Yeah, definitely.
And how was your stay in our town? Like coming from
good.
LA?
Yeah.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Safe journey. Hey, doing welcome come. How many days do you have off?
So I'm just here for one day right now.
1 day?
Yeah.
Oh my God.